Very well guys, in today's video I want to bring you another unlocking, and this time we will teach you how to remove this standard password of your Samsung A36, okay? Remembering that this procedure here, in some cases you will need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any program, any file or anything. Remembering that it will also remove everything that is on your device, it will delete all files. And if you need to remove the Google account of this device or any other model, our number will be there in the description of the video, okay? Powered by Dubverse. Let's wait for the device to restart so we can release the minus and press the plus. Let's wait. I release the minus, press the plus, show the Samsung name on the screen, release the power button with the on and off button, and keep holding the volume button, okay? Until it goes into recovery mode, as we said. Let's wait a few more seconds. Powered by Dubverse. So getting here on this screen, we will go down by pressing the volume button and minus until the fifth option where it is written WP data factory reset, confirm with the power button. On this other screen, go down with minus, confirm with power. Powered by Dubverse. So come on this other screen, we only confirm with the power button, okay? Here your device is already being unlocked, formatted and restored to the factory settings. It will return without that default password here on the screen. If this video helped you, if you can, under your conditions, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be there in the description of the video, and it doesn't matter what the value is. Powered by Dubverse. And if you want to take Google account of this device or any other model, we can do this procedure even from a distance, from anywhere. Our number will be there in the description of the video. I hope I have helped you. This was today's video. Thanks. A hug.